class. So now please lead the prayer. Niño. Father, Lord, in heaven, we really come to the and righteousness. Give us there, the way to give us and trespasses, as we forgive those trespass against us. And we just come to the petition of the rest from evil and evil. Okay, good morning, students. Good morning, class. So now, before we go to our topic, let's have some checking attendance first. So, is Linya present? Okay. Sumera present? Okay. Angel present? Okay. So now, mag-discuss ito sa inyo, dapat maghilang mga, kaya kung rules ba yan, dapat maminaw samtang magtuglaw si teacher. Kunya, pag dili maminaw, automatic makatubag sa akong mga pangutana. Okay? Okay. So now, before we proceed to our topic, let's have a review. So, what is the last topic of past week? Okay. Subtracting fractions. Okay, correct. So, anong to? Pag-ulit mo sa itong i-discuss, no? So, karon, before tayo proceed sa itong topic, maglingaw-lingaw sa talinyo para makahuna mo kung sa ang atong tapikon karong adlaw. So, please count to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, each group will have a plastic cups that na-isod nga jumbled words. So, dapat inyo na i-arrange o group 1, group 2, and group 3. So, karon inyo na i-arrange kung unsa na nga word ang mahimo dasod sa plastic cups. So, first is isa makatag sa kuha. Okay. Group 3. Very good. Similar fraction. Correct. Okay, group 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Subtraction. Correct. And the last group is group 2. Okay, correct. Mixed numbers. So, correct. The first nalatagan sa group 3 is similar fraction. The next is subtraction. And the last is group 2, which is mixed fraction. So now we're going to discuss mixed numbers. So I'm going to give you an equation. So the problem is 13 to 1/6 minus 6, 3/4. So the first step is we're going to find the least common denominator, which is LCD. So para mas masayo, pakita sa LCD, ato lang kapiyon na ilang kuha denominator 6 and 4. And ato siya a plus, by plus, ato nakuha ang same number. So first is 6 plus 6 equals 12. Then first, copy the number. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 8 plus 4 equals 12. So, I love first talaga pareho, which is 12. So, ang LCD, diri kay 12. So now, we're going to proceed. Ato na siya i-increase that of 12. Copy the whole number, numerator, and denominator. Atong ipangita, which is number 12. Copy the whole number Japon, 3, dayon, 12. One lang di atong matong problem. Ang next step is ang numerator set. Ato siya, ibungkig ba? So, karon ato mo ato So karon 13 to bring down ang 12. So muna na ang 1. Bako ang 1. Equation. Next is 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Times 3 equals 9. So copy the whole number 9 and bring down the denominator which is 12. So muna na sa problem nun. 13 2 over 12 minus 6 9 over 12. So step 2, we're going to anong rename ani kay di bungkig man siya. So ako siya rename. Quick review. Remember that when you subtract the fractions, you will need to rename the first mixed number. So ang pinakauna na mixed numbers mo ni siya. So muna din sa rename. So copy 13 2 over 12. So equals 13 plus 2 equals 12. Kaya natin, ibanan na rin usa. Ang may 1 eh, may siyang 12 plus 1. Then copy the fraction, which is, ito sa plus upon 2 over 12. Next step is 12, bring down 12. Ngayon, putakan mong plus. Kanin diri, ato, i-rename natin siya using 12 as the denominator. So, pasabot, ato na siya kapiyon. 2 over 12 plus 12 over 12 equals. So, bring down the 12. 2 plus 12 equals 14. Correct. Kaya ito na ikapihon at iyang denominator, which is 12. So, the final one, answer is 14 2 over 12 minus 6 9 over 12. So muna ni atong bagong problem. So now ato i-continue ang step 2. Kaya mo siya step 2 ato ipakita ang 1. I-rename nato siya ang first mixed number. So ato i-continue step 2 which is 13 2 over 12 and then minus 6 9 over 12. Karon na atong ituwa sa step 2, ato na sa i-minus ang tanan. So, iyan ang pag-minus sa first is the numerator atong kanon. So, sorry guys, sorry class, dili siya connect to dili. 14 din siya, 14. 14 din yung iba, sorry mas 14 din yung iba. So, sorry teacher eh. 14 na rin yung iba, kay 12 din din. Kaya atong naging 1 na rin. So, sorry. Aron, we're going to minus, right? We're going to minus na. So, balik lang sa 1. So 14 minus 9 equals 5. Next is 12 minus 6 equals 6. Then copy na tayo sa denominator at ulit copy which is 12. Ano siya ang answer na sa kanina problem? Nakuha na ba ninyo? So, before tayo mo proceed sa evaluation nasa pagmata niyo short lang refreshing para maka-answer mo sa evaluation. So, here's the equation. 8 3 over 8 minus 5 So, ang sira sa yung mga papel nila, dayon, ipasa ko ay normal. Okay. Time is up. So, what's your answer? Okay, correct. Okay, correct. So, karon na natin naman nakatanan din, no? So, what have you learned on yun sa atong discussion karon? Okay. Correct. Sakto. So, now, proceed na sa atong evaluation. So, you just need to simplify the kwan. Lima na kwan. Kasiranan ang need ninyong kwan. I-simplify. So, karon, kung malaman sa evaluation, let's have the assignment. So, the assignment is create a word problem involving subtraction of mixed numbers and put it in your assignment notebook. So, ang assignment notebook na to is color yellow. So, ay mo kalimut ha sa next week. Okay, thank you class.